Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one that came out of a Nakama Noodles box. Go on over to Meow, that's spelled M-I-A-U, boxjapan.com, and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Sapporo Ichiban, folks, with their Pokemon noodles, Sendai Spicy Miso. We will see. Look at the little Fuecoco right there. Ooh. He's on the lid too. Okay, that's his name, Fuecoco. And let's put our noodle in the bowl. For the cup, it's a cup of noodle. Now, I don't think this one actually has Pokemon Kamaboko in it. Some of them do, some of them don't. Have little pictures of Pikachu on them. But anyways, this one does not. I don't see them there. Anyways, no big deal. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. Tomorrow, I'm gonna go down to Seattle with my friend, the esteemed writer Matthew Bella, and we're gonna go see Furiosa, the new Mad Max flick. Which I don't believe Mad Max is going to appear in it. They kind of shuffled him off. They kind of did that in the last one, too. It was just kind of like, I don't know, secondary. But whatever, I don't care. I love freaking dystopian, post-apocalyptic future films, so I'm good. Not going to complain. 2.5 hours, though. Wow. Wow. I did not expect it to be that long. Afterwards, I'm hoping to end up going over to a place called Time Warp. It's a bar down in Seattle where they have pinball, arcade games, drinks, and they serve instant noodles. Yeah, and that's rad. So we're going to go check that place out, meet the people down there, and do the do. Yep. Yeah, so if you are an ardent follower of the show, in the last episode, you saw me drop an egg. That egg yolk got on my phone, got on the stove, and once I taken pictures and was cleaning up from that one, yeah, I didn't realize. Now I know. It was quite a pretty messy. Yeah, I'd rather be out walking right now. I was planning on going all the way into Bothell and going to the QFC there. It's a grocery store chain around here, and their prices are pretty good. However, you have to cross from the King County line over the Snohomish County line, and when you get over there, no plastic bags. It's all paper. I found that out the hard way yesterday and walked home with like 2 bottles of curry simmer sauce, 2 bell peppers, and a big hurricane yellow onion. And I was like, I hope it doesn't break. I hope it doesn't break. The bag made it all right. That was impressive. And, was that yesterday? No, that was the day before yesterday. What did I do yesterday? Oh, yeah, that's right. I went out and I shot puppies. No, I shot footage for the intros and outros and did quite a few of them. There's a ton of new ones. A lot of stuff with Cottonwood our cottonwood trees are letting loose right now. But what we really need is a really bright sunny day. It's cloudy, it's been spitting rain. When we get a bright sunny day, it'll go nuts. It'll really go nuts. We've got a bunch of it, but yeah, it needs a bit more. But here is my face, and here is that. You may have noticed I have less of a face than I did recently. That's what was that? Sounded like the AI device out in the living room. Cling clanged. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, my wife was kind enough to clip all that extra growth off of my face, so I appreciate it. Let's give it a try. Cheers. Noodle is rather elastic, kind of, what's the word I would use? Soggy, spongy. And here's our broth, and I will let you know if I notice any spiciness. Definitely miso. A little meaty bit was nice. It's okay. I mean, it's not, I'm not calling my neighbors and going, hey, I don't know you, but you should try this. It's so-so. I would say it's so-so. Okay. We'll put that in there. But take that thing. Put it in there. You guys ever listen to Infectious Grooves? I listen to that fairly often. Project music. Where is it? I swear I had a pair of scissors. Here is a meat. I think it's chashu. We will know. Maybe. It's gotta be. Oh yeah, that's pork. Here comes another egg. I have a feeling it's just gonna fall right out of my hand too. I hope not. Yeah. There. That worked a little better than the other one, I'll say that much. So cool, that was the last one out of that Nakama Noodles box, and I haven't done the unboxing yet. So what my plan was to do all the Miojos and all the Nakama Noodle ones, and then do the unboxing, and then include all the pictures of the finished products in that, see? And looks like that's what I'll be doing once I get these reviews all in the bag. That's what I'm gonna do. Do I want to add some of that? I really want to, but I'm not gonna, because I'm getting low and I don't know if they're gonna send me any more. But this stuff, go to eatkarikari.com and try their stuff. It's really good. Really super, super groovy, top-notch chili crisp. I like it much, much better than Laogan Ma, which might surprise some of y'all. I know, I said it. I said y'all. Not something I usually do, but I thought I would. Put a little emphasis on it. I'm saying y'all. And I'm calling that a day. You get down there. I want the people to have the full feeling that it's centered, happy, perfect, lustrous, and nice. So there you go. Alright, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is the last of the Myojo varieties that Toka-san sent. Thank you very much, sir. This is the original flavor. So I'm going to do this up kind of on the lines of trying to be at least slightly traditional with it. And yeah, this is Hans the Ramen Raider telling you to help control the pet population. Have your pet spay or noodled. Yeah, enjoy your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.